Hi class! Welcome back to our channel. For this video, we will differentiate sequences and series. So a sequence is a list of things, usually numbers, that are in order. Okay, so a series represents the sum of the terms of a sequence. So ibig sabihin, kung meron tayong given sequence, so to get the series, guys, ipa-plus lang natin lahat ng terms, then that will be the value of our series. Okay? Then a sequence is a list of numbers separated by commas, while a series is a sum of numbers separated by plus or minus. Example, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 is an example of sequence, while 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15 is an example of a series. Okay? So dito, yung value ng ating series is equals to 45. Then, dun sa ating sequence, guys, may tinatawag tayo dyan first term and last term. Okay? Then, usually, first term is denoted by a sub 1. So, dito ang a sub 1 natin is equals to 3. Then, yung ating last term, which is yung pang-5, that will be our a sub 5, which is equals to 15. Okay? So, the sequence with the n term, usually denoted by a sub n, and the associated series is given by S is equals to a sub 1 plus a sub 2 plus a sub 3 plus up to a sub n. Again, yung a sub n, that will be our last term. Nakuha, guys? So, let's have an example. Determine the first 5 terms of each defined sequence and give their associated series. So, number 1, we have 2 minus n. So, since we denote the n term of a sequence by a sub n, so ang working equation natin dito is 2a sub n equals 2 minus n. Okay, so ito yung gagamitin natin, guys, to get our sequence. So, ngayon, para makuha natin yung first term ng ating sequence, kailangan makuha natin yung a sub 1. Okay, so this time, ang value ng ating n is equals to 1. So, pag sinubstitute natin yan dun sa ating equation, we have a sub 1 is equals to 2 minus n. So, ang n natin is 1. So, therefore, ang ating first term is equals to positive 1. Okay? So, next, second term, we have 2 minus n. So, ang n natin dito is equals to 2. So, this will be 2 minus 2, which is equals to 0. Okay? Next, we have the third term. So, this is equals to 2 minus 3. Then, 2 minus 3, this is equals to negative 1. Fourth term, we have 2 minus 4. So, this is negative 2. Then, ang ating fifth term is equals to 2 minus n, which is 5. So, this is negative 3. Nakuha? So, therefore, ang ating sequence is 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, and negative 3. So, nakuha, guys, kung paano natin kinuha yung ating sequence. Next, kunin natin yung associated series. So, sabi natin kanina, ang series is the sum ng lahat ng terms ng ating sequence. So, that will be 1 plus 0 plus negative 1 plus negative 2 plus negative 3. Okay, so ang series natin ngayon is equals to negative 5. Yan. So, naintindihan ba, guys? So, next, let's have example number 2. So, ang expression natin, we have 1 plus 2n plus 3n square. So, meaning, to get the n term ng ating equation, ang working equation natin is a sub n equals 1 plus 2n plus 3n square. Okay, so to get the first term ng ating sequence, substitute lang natin yung n natin, which is 1, dun sa ating equation. So that is 1 plus 2 times n, which is 1, plus 3n square. So simplify natin to, guys. So 1 plus 2 times 1, this is 2, plus 1 square, that's 1 times 3, so 3. So therefore, ang first term natin is equals to 6. Okay? Next, solve natin yung second term. We have 1 plus 2n. So ang n natin this time is equals to 2. Plus 3n, which is 2, then square. Simplify natin. We have 1 plus 2 times 2, this is 4. Plus 2 square, that is 4 times 3, this is 12. Okay, so combine. So 1 plus 4 plus 12, this is 17. Okay, so next is yung ating third term. So a sub 3 is equals to 1 plus 2n, which is 3, plus 3 times 3 square. So 1 plus 2 times 3, this is 6, plus 3 square, that is 9 times 3, we have 27. Okay? So ang third term natin ngayon, we have 1 plus 6 plus 27, that is equals to 34. This is 34. Okay? Next, fourth term. So, ang n natin this time is equals to 4. So, substitute natin yan doon. We have 1 plus 2n, which is 4, plus 3 times n, then square. So, simplify. 1 plus 2 times 4, this is 8, plus 4 square, that is 16 times 3, this is 48. Okay, so ang fourth term natin, we have 1 plus 8 plus 48. This is 57. Okay, guys? So next, yung ating last term, yung pang-5. So this time, ang n natin is equals to 5. So 1 plus 2n, which is 5, plus 3n, so that's 5 square. So 1 plus 2 times 5, this is 10, plus 5 square, that's 25 times 3, that is 75. Then, ang fifth term natin this time, we have 1 plus 10, 11 plus 75, that is 86. Okay? So ngayon, ang ating sequence is we have 6 plus 17, 34, 57, and 86. Okay? Then, ang ating series ngayon, we have 6 plus 17 plus 34 plus 57 plus 86, that is equals to 200. Okay? Okay, so next, let's have example number 3. So, this time, a sub n is equals to negative 3 raised to n. Okay, so to get the first term, so ang n natin is equals to 1. So, substitute natin yan doon. We have negative 3 raised to 1. So, ang first term natin is negative 3. Next, second term, we have negative 3, then square. So, this is 9. So, third term natin, we have negative 3, then cube. That is negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3, that is negative 27. Okay? Then, ang ating a sub 4, that is negative 3 raised to 4. So, negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3, that is positive 81. Okay? So, ang last natin, we have a sub 5 which is equals to negative 3 raised to 5. So, ang ating negative 3 raised to 5 is equals to negative 243. Nakuha guys? So, ang sequence natin ngayon, we have negative 3, 9, negative 27, 81, and negative 243. Okay? So, next, ang series naman natin is S equals negative 3 plus 9 plus negative 27 plus 81 plus negative 243. Okay, so ang total natin ngayon dyan, so ang value ng ating series is equals to negative 183. Nakuha? So, ito na ngayon yung ating sequence and its associated series. Naintindihan ba guys? So, this is the end of our video. I hope nakuha nyo kung ano ba ang difference between sequence and series. So, if you have questions or clarifications, kindly put them in the comment section below. So, thank you guys for watching. This is Prof. D. I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye!